Thank you for taking your time out to watch our videos here at National Gear. We are proud to introduce a deal that took a few months in the making. The old Lufkin plant in Bakersfield, California shut down, and we purchased their herringbone machines. These are be able to cut true herringbone. The leads are 30-degree leads, 33-degree, and I believe 27-degree leads. So in the upcoming months, National Gear will transition one of their back shops from a repair facility to an actual extra manufacturing facility. So that's going to be fun. So as you can see, it's one of our WE spikes. This is one of 4 of the machines that we purchased. We're going to put them out here for a temporary storage facility. We need about 3 months to up our power with Edison, and we should be manufacturing 3rd quarter of this year, of 2024. National Gear Repair will be manufacturing true herringbone gears, not double helical, but true herringbone. We're able to cut up to 55-inch diameter, 50-inch diameter, 27, 26, and 24-inch diameter. So 4 machines. We're proud to introduce you to our family. Not to mention, we are proud to introduce that National Gear will be exhibiting at the plastic show out in Orlando, May 6th through May the 10th of 2024. We'll be in the South Tower, one of the main booths out there. As soon as you walk in the South Tower, we should be there. Feel free to come by and join us. Thank you.